So we're back over here on B. This is the one we cleaned out. We'll get up on the rooftop. There you go the other way. And get up on the rooftop and check the pressures. Shoot, dang, it's hot. Whew, it's hot, boys. I gotta double check his pressures. That's apartment B. Should be in the middle. I don't know. We'll find out in a second. Look at this. Ain't nobody marked. I'm gonna say it's the top one right there. Because, well, it might be this one. Because old girl in apartment D, that's her unit. So I bank it's this one. Only way to find out is kill the breaker. Let's get this umbrella up real quick because it's already freaking hot up here. Yeah, slightly wind from the back. Let's see. She's sweating pretty good. Got a cap missing. Let's get the bottle over here. Looks like an old 22 unit. What we got here? Come on. It's most likely gonna be 22. I don't see you. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find that. I don't see nothing on there. It's an old Goodman. Most likely it's a 22. But let's get some gauges on this bad boy. See what we got. I always put my shit, that roof's hot. Whew. Always put my low loss fitting on the suction side so I can hook it up. That way if I need to add some, right there's the cap. So, phew, it's a little toasty up here. Praise God for that umbrella. She's cranking over there too, so. Got the high side torque down. Jeez. Bad trailer. I heard it piss. It was pissing. Pissing. I'm using my new chest harness. Well, neck harness. It looks like a necklace. Low loss. Turn it on. Turn that on. Saw the thermostat. Thermostat was reading 72, but he also had a bedroom portable on at 69. All I do on these is I just crack them loose a little bit so that I'm getting pressures. I'm just checking pressure right now. So that's all I'm doing. I'm gonna bank that this is an old 22. Let's see. Basics, measurements, refrigerant. High side's reading 97. Low side pressure. That's not right. Yeah, See, that's what this will do. If X-rated valve's not open, it will only read like really super. Oh, wait a minute. Open the valve. That might help. All right, so we got 93 on the low side, 427 on the high side. We got some line deficiency here, baby. Superheated 37. Subcools 22. Well, I'm gonna go, let's change this to 22. Head pressure, or the suction came up a little bit. It's saying my evap temperature is 55. Superheat is 8. The actual line temperature is 64. Okay, so when you hack jobby, well now, this is a 3/8 line. Check this out. So 5/8, 3/8. I don't think that's 3/4. Anyways, but look at this hack job. They put a 1/4 inch reducer, like a piece of pipe in there. I don't know what the hell that's all about, considering this line is the same size. Wow, that's a restriction. Whew. See what we got going on here. So down 7.5 superheat, and that head pressure way high. See what let's do. Let's go in here and check the temperatures coming out of the coil. Let's go ahead and check my temperatures real quick. So hold on, man. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. On these hack jobs like this, man, you're all over the place. This temperature is what I'm saying. It's 81 air right now. 200, 306. Man, that's got awesome airflow. But I'm not sweating. I'm not condensating on the AC. So, let's figure this one out. Superheat. Superheat is low. I could be overcharged. I could be slightly overcharged. I haven't touched this unit, so you can't blame it on me. Yeah, it could be slightly overcharged. Thing is, I go see if this thing will reconnect. Yeah, here it goes. 415, 416. See, I'm at 416. According to this, the superheat is 5. Subcool 60. This is a piston fixed metering device. So according to this, we are overcharged. R22 overcharged. There's something on the screen. Drive me crazy. See, that thing's still reading 78 degrees over here. Let's pop that off. Let me put my thermostat over here. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's saying 73. Of course, we know that's bullshit. That's not no 73 degrees. I think we're just. I think the system's just slightly overcharged. because I'm not sweating on the coil. I'm not pulling out humidity. One thing I can do is crack the door open. You know what I'm saying? Crack the door open. No. Let's see. It's 76. It's reading right. Yeah. I think we're slightly overcharged. So let's put this stuff away. Put this away. And we'll go back up on the roof and we'll see what we can see. I think we're slightly overcharged. So I talked to the boss. I went up, I got a new cap for it. That fan just doesn't seem like it's working right. I think it's got an impacted coil on the back side or something. My superheat's a 19 now. It was off for about 30, maybe 40 minutes. So I just now turned it back on. It's running. Superheat's a 19, slowly creeping down. But I'm thinking that we got impaction. We got something that's plugging that metering device. Because I got 480 on the high side, 98 on the low side. And it's not condensating on the coil. So I talked to the boss and she's wanting me to get the serial number off of a new furnace, and we're gonna go, we might go the route of putting a brand new system in there, because this is old 22, and you can see right here, like I was pointing out, this is a hack job. I don't know why they did that. That don't make any sense why they would do that. And if they're gonna do something like that, it's a newer line set, but I'm thinking that they probably got a little piece of metal down inside of that metering device. So I'm gonna let this run for about another 30 minutes. I'll go check the temps. So this is about a monster. I dumped a bunch of fluid out, a whole bunch, and I slowly starting to recharge it. Got my line sweating really good. My evap temperature is 43 and dropping, and I've checked this like 3 times. So my vent temp is about 10 to 15 degrees higher than that. So at 43.9, I'm probably in the mid 50s coming out of the vent. We'll go check real quick. I got the superheat down to 11.5, slowly dropping. You can't go off of that though. My evap temp is 44.9, and my suction line is running at 54 degrees, or 56, I'm sorry. This unit is done. Superheat 11. Evap is 44. So it's probably about 55, 56 degrees evap. So the last time I checked the temperature, it's 60 degrees. So we're done. We're just gonna go ahead and replace this unit. It's the inside that's all jacked up. So we'll do an install, I guess. Guys, have a good day.